Hey everyone, it's Izzy from izzyisvegan.com, and today we are gonna make Spanish rice. Okay, so first of all, that was kind of awkward. I forgive you. I fucking am sorry for that shit. Okay, so anyway, after all that awkwardness, we're gonna make some Spanish rice, okay guys? So I've never done this before, and I found a cool recipe on Instagram, but you know, they use chicken, so I'm gonna modify it so we don't have to use any animal products. So right here it says that you first have to mix some extra virgin olive oil, saute some sofrito, and add some crushed tomatoes first. So instead of extra virgin olive oil, I'm gonna use this. It is avocado oil. So what I'm gonna do is turn this on the stove. You know, gotta get a nice little pot. Gonna put on loads. I want to burn myself. I never really measure how much stuff I put in my food, so we're just gonna, you know, guesstimate. So I mean, if you, I don't know, whatever. So yeah, so this is what we're doing first. I'm gonna put this, let it heat up a little. You want to get like a decent amount of avocado oil in it, because if you don't, then you're still gonna be dry, and you don't want your food to be dry because then it's not good. So we're gonna add a little more of that. And then next was, let me see, the sofrito. So this is sofrito right here. Goya Sofrito. I don't want to burn myself. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this stuff. You can get it at Walmart. I'm sure everyone got a Walmart around them. So, you know, hit that up. This is like $2, I think. I don't know. It was cheap. You don't want to use a lot of it. We're only going to make 2 cups of rice today. So, you know, we're going to add like a third of it, and that's half, not a third, so never mind, we're gonna use half of it. Okay, so next thing, Haiti, what does the next thing say? I'm over here recording with my little sister. She's so cute. She helps me with all my videos. Say hi, Haiti.
Hi.
She's so cute. Not really, but never mind, she's cute. Okay, I love you, Haiti. Okay, so next is crushed tomatoes. So what I did for these crushed tomatoes is I just, you know, bought some tomatoes, made it super easy, and then I boiled some water and boiled the tomatoes in that, and then I just crushed it with this. So you're going to add this. It was 2 tomatoes, by the way. 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, so let me just turn this up a little bit. So we're going to saute it. We're just going to, you know, let it sit in here for a little bit. What's the next thing? This is what it looks like when it's pretty much done sauteing. It looks thicker, you know, it looks yummy. It's simmering, boiling, whatever. So let's see. The next thing we have to do is add some turmeric and paprika. So this is the turmeric I use. I got it at Giant food stores. Oh my gosh. Focus. There you go. Giant food stores. I'm sure you can find this anywhere else. I mean, if it's a different brand, that's fine. So yeah. So we're just going to add some, you know, I do not know how much I just added, but that's some good stuff. You better add some. Don't be shy, and don't be greedy. Make sure you are adding a good amount of that. And then the next thing is paprika. This is paprika. I got this at Walmart. Oh, okay, there we go. Paprika. So we're going to add some of that in here. That was like 4 shakes. 4 shakes, if that makes any sense. 4 shakes of the paprika and turmeric. Okay, so you're just gonna mix that around. And then, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to read the ingredients here. Okay, so now we're going to add some Italian seasoning and adobo. So this is my Italian seasoning that I use. Got it at Walmart. Oh my gosh. There we go. So we're going to do another 4 shakes. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Never mind, I want more. 5, 6. I still feel like it's not enough. Like, I'm telling you guys, I use a lot of seasonings. Like, I love seasonings. I don't know. It's amazing. So, I think I'm gonna add 2 more, you know? Let's do 8. 8 shakes. Okay, well, that counts as 1. And then, that's good enough, whatever. Okay, so that's good enough. And then now we're gonna add some adobo. So this is adobo. It's by Goya. I'm assuming you can get this at Walmart too. I got it at Wise. It's another like food store. I don't know if you guys have that, but yeah. So we gonna put some in here. This has salt, so do like, yeah, 6 shakes. Guys, I don't know what this is gonna turn out like. The recipe honestly doesn't say how much to measure out, so you know, I'm just guessing over here. That's normally what I do, and my food normally tastes good, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't get some high blood pressure because, you know, it's got salt, but, you know, that's what we gonna do. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, so we did Italian seasoning, we did adobo. Then we have to add chicken thighs and beans. Okay, so what I'm going to add into here that I haven't added yet is sazón. This is sazón from Goya. Honestly, sazón isn't the healthiest thing in the world, so you can kind of skip that. It has MSG, and that's, like, bad for you. So, I don't know. I'm just going to add it in. So, let's see. I'm just going to try with that, see how it goes. We'll see what happens. This definitely gives flavor to your food, and I'm not kidding. It's amazing. There's probably a simpler way to make this instead of using this. All these weird preservatives or whatever it has in it. So if you can do that, that'd be great. I feel like I'm just talking to talk. Just ignore me, guys, for right now. So we're going to put 2 packets in here. 2 little packets. Here's the second one. Yep. And you're just going to stir it around. Don't burn your food. Yeah, just keep stirring it. Make sure it's not sticking. Okay, so it says now we can add beans. That's what the recipe says, so we're gonna add some beans. Let me see how much beans we can add. So it says add chicken and beans. I'm not gonna use chicken. I'm going to replace the chicken with the potatoes. So I made some potatoes right here. What I did was I just, you know, sliced them up into these little triangles. And I pretty much cooked them with the avocado oil until they were tender, a little, you know, golden colored. That's how that was. Now I'm just gonna, I cut up like 3 tomatoes, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 medium-sized potatoes. I'm just gonna add it right in here with everything else. Just gonna mix that in. Yummy. Okay, and now you're gonna add the beans. You can get canned beans. My mom makes beans at home, so I mean, I'd rather have that than the canned ones, because the canned ones are kind of gross to me. But yeah, so I mean, if the only thing you can get are canned beans, go ahead and get those canned beans. And this is about 2 cups of beans that I'm adding in here. So yeah, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, so cute. Okay, I need to turn this up. Okay, yeah, you see that, Haiti? Haiti's learning how to cook. She can't cook. She a freshman in high school, and she can't cook. I don't think you can see me. She can't cook, okay? Okay. So, yeah. So, here we go. We're doing this. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna cry. Just kidding, no, I'm not. Okay, so what's next, Haiti? Tell me what's next. So, we put that in, that in. I add the beans. Okay, we're going to add the rice soon. Yeah, stir that, boo-boo. She's stirring. We cooking. We cooking. We cooking. We cooking. Okay, so. Okay, so now we're gonna have the rice. Hey, how much rice do you think? Should we do 2 cups only? 2 cups, that's it. I'm like scared that we have way too much potatoes and beans that we're not gonna have enough rice. So let's see what happens. So we're gonna do 2 cups of rice first and see what that looks like. So just look up. Hey, don't mess up. Don't mess up. Do you see it, Haiti? Through the camera? Okay. Okay. That's one. Okay. Oh. Okay, well. Okay. That's 2. I have this little bit left in the bag. Like, I don't know. I feel like I should just put it in. So, actually, I don't know. Should I put it in, maybe? Just a little bit. Yeah, we're just going to put it in. So, I mean, I don't know. I feel like we just do whatever in these videos. We just don't even know what we're doing. So, we're just going to put the rest of that in. It's like 2 cups and like 2 1/4 cups probably. I don't know. I can't measure in my head. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, we're doing that. And now what we have to do is put water in this. So, my mom always taught me that for every cup of rice, you have to add 2 cups of water. So that means that we're going to use 4 cups of water. So, let me see. I need to go get a cup. Or actually, I'm just going to use... Let me go get a measuring cup. Let me go get that. Okay, so we just got done adding 4.5 cups of water. Pretty much when you make this, you should make sure that all of your little ingredients are pretty much covered in water. I mean, that's how you can be sure that nothing will stay uncooked when you're done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, we're gonna move it around a little. We have to add some salt and pepper as well right now. So we're gonna do that. Just gonna add some pepper right here. I got this McCormick black pepper. Just gonna do. That's good. And then some salt. I don't even know. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. So, oh my gosh. I never know how much salt to add to food. I just feel like I always do it wrong, but you know, you gotta play around with it. I might just taste it right now, just to see if it has enough salt. Because, you know, that's the best way to do it. I hope I don't burn myself. Oh my gosh. Oh. That needs more something. Let me think. What does it need? I'm going to add more adobo to it. Like, you have to make sure that your, like, the broth is, you know, has some flavor to it. But this doesn't, I don't know. This needs something. So, we're going to do that. I'm probably going to add some more salt. So we're done. We're just gonna let this cook. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that it's on medium, you know, and then like you have to make sure the setting's on medium for your stove. Then you're gonna cover it, okay? Maybe let like leave it a little bit uncovered so some air can get through, and then once it starts simmering, you can turn it down to even lower, okay? And then it's gonna be like at one of the lowest settings, and then from there we're just gonna watch it until it's completely done. So then I'm gonna turn this video off for now, and then whenever it's done I will let you know. Okay, so you know, we just got done making this rice. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks amazing. So now what we're gonna do is have Haiti taste it and let us know if it's gross or not. Because, you know, I did add a little too much seasoning. And Haiti reminded me that I was sick. Because I got, you know, a stuffy nose and stuff. So I can't really taste things very well right now. So I don't know if I overdid it with the seasonings. I can't smell or taste anything. But we're gonna see what it tastes like. And hopefully if you guys ever try to make it, it's not too strong or too salty. Oh my gosh, Haiti, look at you. Look at you, girl. You working at a restaurant? Oh my gosh. Okay, Haiti, do you want your face in the video? Okay, we won't put your face in the video. Okay, so we're just, yeah, she's being awkward. Haiti, act like you actually eat. Don't take little bites, that's boring. Okay, ready? Tell me what it tastes like. Yum, oh, yum.
Tastes good.
Tastes good, right? Yeah, it's so good. It's so good. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so vibrant. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. And, you know, hopefully you like the recipe. This was our first time making it. So, I mean, we probably messed up somewhere. I don't know. We don't really follow recipes like that. But yeah, so if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Because I want to be friends with you. We're going to be best friends. And I'm going to give you more content, more videos. And we're going to have fun. Because this YouTube channel is all about fun. And living natural and vegan. And So yeah. So anyway, yeah, just keep watching. You know, I'm going to have some videos. So bye.